Bought me a chicken on sale at Food Lion. Good deal, $8.42 for about 7-8 pound chicken. We're going to wash this chicken up real good, get it nice and clean. We're going to put some binder on it. I'm using Worcestershire sauce, but you can use mustard if you want to. Just something to hold the spices onto the chicken. Got some Uncle Steve's Smoke Bomb. This is some really good spice, and I'll put a link to it down in the information box below. Rub that in real good. And we're going to add some rib rack spice rub for chicken. Now, I bought this at the local grocery store, but these two together give it a wonderful flavor. So rub that in real good, all over. All right. Now, another thing I did was I took some twine and tied the drumsticks together. And I've got apple that I quartered. We're going to stuff this chicken with that apple. I don't know if it'll make any difference, but it can't hurt anything. Now looky there. She's ready for the grill now. So let's go on out here and put her on the grill. Okay, so here's my setup. In the beginning you saw me lighting the fire. I've got a basket of charcoal on both sides. I'm going to put my chicken right in the center there. We're going to try to keep this thing about between 300 and 400 degrees. So we'll check it in about an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour. It's not quite done yet. We'll probably have to flip it over and cook it for another hour. But it's looking really good. I've got that wood on the left there to kind of give it a wood flavor. I think that's hickory. Look at those juices coming out of there. And that skin is so dark and crispy. We're going to leave it there another hour. All right, let's check that. Well, now for the breast, that's good. And the drumsticks is about 200, so it's falling apart. I'm about ready to take it off of there. So let's just do that. Now we're going to cut this twine off of here. Look at that. It just really breaks apart really easy. I mean, it's just falling apart, and it smells so good. Cut some of this breast here, and look at these wings. I mean, that's what I call falling off the bone. The bone just slides right out of there. So we have had a successful cook here, and I'm very well pleased with the way this chicken has turned out. So anyway, I'm glad you could join me today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And remember, folks, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone.